project. Bill finished putting in the gate today. Looks good. Got all the edging and all the critter mesh put up. Woo! Oh, that's so nice. We still have to put in the gravel and some plants, but
That's a different project. That's her problem. That's not construction. That's just labor.
right.
She can come
You're
over.
going to be my assistant.
Yeah, there we go.
We've decided to take a little break after working on this deck forever. So we'll see you in April. Later.